This is the kind of setup that instantly makes you rethink what a home theater should look like. Instead of building around a giant TV, this system flips the idea entirely and focuses on scale, flexibility, and pure visual impact. At the center of it all is the Valerion VisionMaster Pro, a triple laser 4K projector designed to deliver a true cinema-style experience, whether it's indoors or under the open sky. The biggest advantage here is the triple laser light engine. Red, green, and blue lasers operate independently, which dramatically improves color precision and brightness stability. The result is an image that looks rich, balanced, and consistent even when pushed to extreme sizes. When projecting at 150 inches, clarity stays intact, colors remain vibrant, and contrast doesn't collapse the way it does with traditional lamp-based projectors. Resolution plays a huge role too. This is real 4K performance, not something that relies heavily on processing tricks. Fine details remain visible, text stays sharp, and wide scenes feel expansive rather than soft. Movies gain that cinematic depth, sports broadcasts feel larger than life, and gaming becomes far more immersive than anything a standard TV can deliver. Brightness is another area where this setup shines. Outdoor projection usually means compromises, but once ambient light drops, this projector delivers a confident, punchy image. Highlights stay bright without overpowering darker scenes, and colors don't fade or flatten. Backyard movie nights, group watch parties, and large gatherings all benefit from how well this projector handles big, open environments. The included 150-inch outdoor screen is a key part of the experience. It's designed to stay flat and evenly tensioned, helping the image look uniform from edge to edge. There's no distracting warping or uneven texture, which makes a massive difference when you're working at this size. Once content starts playing, the screen disappears and lets the visuals take over. A standout detail is the walnut tripod stand. Instead of looking like a temporary solution, it feels intentional and premium. It's solid, adjustable, and visually refined enough to fit into modern living spaces or outdoor setups without looking out of place. It adds a level of polish that most projector systems simply don't offer. Connectivity is simple and reliable. HDMI support makes it easy to connect streaming devices, consoles, or laptops. Motion handling stays smooth during fast scenes, and input responsiveness is good enough for gaming without frustration. This setup is just as comfortable handling movies and shows as it is powering long gaming sessions. Long-term usability is another strong point. Laser projection eliminates the need for frequent maintenance. There's no bulb replacement, no sudden drop in brightness, and no gradual degradation after a few hundred hours. You turn it on, it performs consistently, and it stays that way for years. What really makes this bundle appealing is how adaptable it is. It's not locked to a single room or permanent installation. You can move it, scale the screen size up or down, and transform almost any space into a theater when you want. It's built around convenience without sacrificing performance. If you've been thinking about upgrading your entertainment setup and want something that delivers a massive screen, accurate colors, and a premium overall feel, this projector system makes a strong case. It's designed for people who want more than just a bigger display, they want an experience. If you want to buy the Valerion VisionMaster Pro triple laser 4K projector with the 150-inch outdoor screen, walnut tripod stand, and HDMI cable, check the link in the description for the latest price and availability.